So somebody has a birthday coming up, and that somebody is the Lucky Aces Riding YouTube channel. And that date is actually May 22nd, which is going to be the 4th year on YouTube. That's kind of neat. It's my 4-year anniversary, channel birthday, all that good stuff. Kind of nuts, it's been 4 years already, which if I timed it right, should be just about a month after this video comes out. One thing I didn't plan, though, is that weekend is actually when we're doing the subscriber ride for 2026. That's actually going to be the anniversary weekend for the channel. Because the more I thought about it with this coming up, maybe doing something special. Then I realized we're doing the freaking ride, but what about doing something else? Like doing something special, something I've never done before. And my first thought is, what if it went live that Saturday, after the ride, that sometime that evening? Which I don't know, that's a possibility. But also, to be perfectly honest with you guys, my social battery might be a little low at that point. That, and we got somebody riding in from Southeast Virginia, and I kind of said I'd ride part way back with them. So it's going to be a long day on the bike for me, I think. And then trying to do the live thing, I'm not 100% sure yet. That might not be doable. Plus, without really having done it before, I kind of don't really know what I'm doing. I leave that up to other people, There's plenty of guys that do it better than I do. Moto Alley's gone live. Fire Moto's gone live. Motobomb Virginia. He's got like a weekly show he does. Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. He's got like 3 to 6 other people on there with him, flipping screens back and forth. He's got graphics going on. I'm like, dude, how are you even doing that? That's way above my level. So when it comes to lives, I might just leave it up to those guys. Let those guys handle the live. But what I was thinking was maybe doing like an AMA, doing like an Ask Me Anything kind of thing, and making a video out of it and have it come out right about that same time. And I'm thinking that's what I might do, which I really wouldn't put like restrictions on questions or anything, but don't ask me like what's my social security number, what's like the last 4 digits of my credit card. Oh, what was your nickname in high school, or what high school did you go to? It's like, come on, guys, all right? Don't try to steal my identity now, okay? But I thought maybe that might be kind of neat, because one of the rules I have on the channel is I don't really talk about my personal life. Because honestly, I don't think a lot of you are here for that. We're here to talk about motorcycles, ride motorcycles, have good times on motorcycles. But if you've been watching the channel for a while, I get it. You start to give a crap about the person behind the camera. And yeah, you know what, maybe giving you guys that opportunity to learn a little more about Lucky Aces, maybe it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. It'd be good for me too, because I don't really like open up to anybody or talk about like anything to anybody. Because that's just not, it's just not me, man. How are you doing? I'm fine. You sure? Yeah. Always. The answer's always fine. Because I ain't one to put my boo-hooing off on anybody else. I internalize that, which is not good, but that's just what we do. It's what we've always done. So yeah, so I guess something like that would be as much of a benefit for you guys as a benefit for me. So if there's something you want to know about your buddy Lucky Aces here, just shoot me an email over there at LuckyAcesRiding@gmail.com. Put in the subject line like AMA question or something, just so I can search for them easily. And we'll see how many of those we get. Maybe it could be a video, or maybe we'll do the live thing, but it probably won't be that same weekend. I'm trying to think of like if there'd be a cutoff for these questions, man. So pretty much, if I planned this right, today is around the 24th of April, 2026. Let's give you guys a month. So the weekend of the subscriber ride, the 23rd and 24th of May, 2026 will be the cutoff. Again, LuckyAcesRiding@gmail.com. And thinking about that too, doing the subscriber ride on those dates is not ideal for some people, not ideal for others. I know it's difficult to get everybody together or pick something where it's going to work for everybody's schedule. I know a couple of guys have said that they can't do that weekend, Memorial Day weekend, the 23rd and 24th. Shoot me an email if you're in the Wake County, North Carolina area and you can't make those dates, because I'm still going to run that route probably at least 1 or 2 more times between now and the meet, and maybe we can make something work. Maybe we can do like a little mini meet and greet or something. It won't be exactly the same, but at least be hopefully a similar experience. But yeah, the 4-year freaking YouTube anniversary's coming up, man. Still nuts to think about. It's still nuts that I just strapped some freaking cheap action camera. It wasn't even a name brand. It was something I got from freaking Amazon. Stuck that on my helmet, and people actually watched those videos. Which I am very appreciative of. Even if you're watching this one, and this is the first one you've ever seen, thank you for checking it out. I mean, this channel wouldn't even be where it is today if nobody was watching these things. So thank you all very, very much. I hope to see you at the subscriber ride coming up, and if not, shoot me an email, LuckyAcesRiding@gmail.com. Let me know you're in the area but can't make those dates. We'll see what we can work out. Either that or call in sick that day. Whatever works for you, man. Whatever you want to do, you know? But I think it'll be a fun time, which I'm still a little nervous about it just because me talking with new people, I'm just freaking awkward anyway. I need to just go with the flow, because we had a good time on the first one, the first subscriber ride we did back in 2023 when I hit 1,000 subs, man. That was a good time. I met some good people. And if you haven't seen that video, well, you can check that out right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.